guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are new here, hello, my name is Taylor. If you have not already, you can subscribe. It's just right down below. You can also click on the bell and that will turn on the post notifications, so you will get notified every single time I post a new video. So today's a new video for me. It's something that I want to do on my channel every month. So I recently subscribed to BoxyCharm. This is my first BoxyCharm box, and I want to do this monthly where I unbox it here on my channel and then use the products in on my face. I kind of got the idea from Kathleen Lights. I've watched her videos and she does the same thing where she actually uses her products that she receives in her box in her video. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's why I'm looking a little crazy, because I don't have all of my makeup on. So yeah, I do already know everything that's in here, but I'm going to be showing you guys, and then I'm also going to be testing it out. So if you don't know about BoxyCharm, basically it's a monthly subscription where you get full size products in it. It is, I believe it's $20 or $21 US. I live in Canada, so I pay exchange. For me, it's about $30-ish, just a little over $30. But you get well beyond what you pay in retail value in every box. It's really great. I've been wanting to subscribe to them for a long time because I've seen these videos every month, and people get just really great products, and they're all full size, which I think is so much better than just getting little samples. So I finally did it. When you open it up, you do receive this little card. This month it says it's glitz and glam, and then on the card it does show you everything that comes in here as well as the retail price. So the first thing that I'm going to use is the Tarteist mascara. This retails for $23, and yeah, it's a full size. I was actually very excited to see this in here because I tried this mascara out a while back. I'm not huge on buying high-end mascaras, so I don't own really any, but I loved this mascara so much. I just have never bought it, so I'm so happy to see this in the box. So I'm just going to quickly put some on my lashes, and I may put on falsies. We will see. So I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes. So I just put on one quick coat. Now I am going to put on falsies because my lashes are very short and I hate them, so I pretty much just always wear falsies. But honestly, this is a really good mascara. Even though my lashes are really short, it definitely gave length to it, and I think what I love the most is the brush, because I don't know, it makes a really easy application. There's a lot of space between the bristles, and I find that it really helps to separate the lashes and get mascara on every single one, because my lashes look, honestly, like they don't look any like clumpy at all or anything. So yeah, it's a good mascara. I'm just gonna put on falsies though, because that's just what I do. Okay, now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. Moving on to the rest of the face, I already have my foundation, concealer, and powder on because I have a couple of face products to use. So first is bronzer, and I received this, I don't know if it's Beauté or Butte Basics Bronze Essential Bronzer, I guess. This retails for $39.95, so it's pretty expensive. But this is the outer packaging. This is the bronzer, which is gorgeous. It has 3 mattes and then 2 shimmers. Now, to be honest, this does not feel like a $40 bronzer, so I think it's a little bit expensive, but the bronzer itself is really pretty, so I'm excited to use this. I think I'm just gonna mix them all together. They're a little bit small to like really try and individually get colors, so I'm just gonna kind of swirl back and forth and pick up product. Oh, okay. Actually, it's not bad. There is the bronzer. It is really pretty, actually. I really like it. It's not too dark or anything like that. And I don't see a lot of, I really don't see any shimmer. I don't know if it's just like my lighting's not really showing it. So next I have a blush palette, and this is by Real Her. I think that's Real Her. And it's their blush kit. It's $32. This is the outer packaging. And then this is the inside. They're really pretty. It looks like two of them has a little bit of a shimmer to it. The other one looks matte. They're very, very pretty shades. They look a little bit vibrant. And then I also have a brush to use with this. And this is the Crown Pro Blush Brush. It retails for $12, and this is what it looks like. It does say that you can use this for both powder and cream blush. I think this would be really great for cream. It's a little bit of a dense brush. It's a little more dense than I would personally like for my blush brush, but I'm going to try it out and see. I think I'm going to use this shade here, Fearless. It kind of reminds me of NARS Orgasm, which I love. So I'm just going to pick some up and just kind of put on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, that is so pretty. This definitely reminds me of NARS Orgasm. It definitely has that like kind of gold sheen to it, which is so pretty. Yeah, I love that blush. Really, really nice. And I love this palette too. It's really cute. I like this brush. I don't personally like it so much for blush. I don't like a really dense brush for that. So this is not something I would probably use for blush. I'll find some other use for it, but honestly, it's a really nice brush. It's really soft. It feels nice. So yeah, both of these are really great products as well. And last thing in the box is this Makeup Geek Showstopper Cream Stain. This is what it looks like. This retails for $12. There's no like name on it or anything, so I don't know if it's called, like this color is called Showstopper or what. I don't really know. There is the lipstick on. I wouldn't say it's the most pigmented lip product. I did have to reapply a little bit. It seems like it's going to be a liquid lipstick, like it's drying down pretty matte. It is really lightweight though, and I honestly don't feel it on my lips, and it looks really nice. So yeah, I don't know about longevity or anything. I'll have to test that out, but so far I like it. It looks really nice, and I like this color too. It's a little bit more on the cool tone side, so yeah, this is a hit as well. So that's everything that came in my BoxyCharm box this month, and I would say it's really great. I'm so far super impressed. Definitely didn't let me down. I really love the mixture of like known brands as well as like brands that I've never heard of. I get to try new things, and yeah, I think it was really great. None of the products disappointed me as of right now. Obviously, I'm going to need to try things a little more to get my opinion on them, but just from like first impressions, everything worked out really, really well, and I'm very excited about everything. The overall retail of this box this month is $118.95, which is kind of crazy considering this subscription is only $21. So you get way more than what you pay in the subscription, which is great. So that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please give this video a like, and I will see you guys in my next one.